The most important command in PowerShell is definitely get commands. It shows you all aliases, functions, and commandlets. To get the commands, simply type get dash command. As you see, PowerShell shows you the command type and their names. Even as an experienced PowerShell user, sometimes you seek help to get your job done. Another important command in PowerShell is get help. If you need to know what the syntax for a commandlet is or to know about its aliases, you can type get-help followed by the commandlet. Here we get help from PowerShell to know more about the commandlet getContent. PowerShell shows you the name, which is getContent, the syntax, and the aliases. You can use aliases instead of the getContent itself. Now let's see how getContent and its aliases work. We have a text file which contains some words and we want to print them out using cat, gc, and getContent itself. As you see, there is no difference between the original command and its aliases.